Well, hello, I'm Christy of Green Living Off Grid, and today we are going to be looking at my strawberry garden, where you can see I have these planters and my strawberries are at it again, sending runners out over the edge of these wood planters where they can't really root because they're just dangling right off the edge with no place to be able to root into, no soil or anything. So I've developed a system to be able to root these strawberries using a simple Park Seed Biodome seed starter kit. This kit comes with a biodome lid, humidity dome, that you can adjust the different humidity settings with the little slider up at the top. It's a nice, firm, sturdy dome. And the other thing that I like about this dome is that it stands a little bit taller than some of the other seed starter kits. For example, here's a Bird New seed starter tray. And I want you to notice, look at how much taller the Park Seed Biodome is than the standard seed starter tray humidity dome is. So the Park Seed does have a little bit more clearance when you're starting your seedlings. Another thing that I like about this tray over some of the other seed starter tray kits is the fact that it comes with its own floating raft seed pod kit. Now, what's neat about this is, first of all, this is the 40 cell unit. There's a 60 cell and I believe an 18 cell that has even larger biosponges that go with it. And Park Seed provides its own biosponge that goes in these cells, but I like the 40 cell unit because it's large enough to be able to use the Rapid Rooter biosponges for my outdoor garden plants. These things will break down in the garden, so they're fully biodegradable and they're easy to plant outside for the outdoor garden. So I will grow in these biosponges, Rapid Rooter and the Park Seed biosponges. And when I'm growing with hydroponics like we're going to do today, I use the 1-inch Rockwell cube, the Gordon and the Castle Greens Rockwell cubes. They're 1 inch and they fit nicely inside the holes of my Park Seed seedling tray. Now, these Rockwell cubes are great when you want to start seeds for hydroponics or for your outdoor gardens. You use the Rapid Rooters. But today we're going to be using our hydroponics tray without any of these grow mediums in there. We're going to actually just have the holes and we're going to stuff our strawberry plants down inside those holes to try to get them to root. So here I've got the crowns in the bottom of this little styrofoam tray. I kind of just stuck them down through. And I have in here a tray with an aerator and an air pump and some air line. Some aeration into the tray, and all this is soaker hoses that I punched some extra holes in. I put some stainless steel washers to keep them from rusting. I put some hydroponic nutrients, and we're going to just see if this will cause these crowns to develop some roots. And then I can pot them into some small pots for next spring. Well, it's been a few weeks since we started aerating the little stubs of plants, the runners, and look at this root. All the roots on the bottom of these things. The aeration worked really well in the water, and there's quite a few roots down here. I think we can probably take these little runners and take them out of here now and plant them into dirt, and let's see what kind of how well the roots take to the dirt so that I can plant them out in the garden next spring. But if you look at them, it looks like they sprouted pretty well. And I did have a few that didn't quite make it. These guys right here, the nutrients are starting to drop in my hydroponic water, so that's some of the discoloration on these leaves. It's probably due to that, but I still have quite a few of them that look pretty decent. So I think if I can get the roots out of here, out of this little tray, and plant these into some soil, I'll have quite a few little strawberry starts. Well, there they are, all planted in the little pots. We'll see how they do over winter, and then we'll set them up in the spring in my garden.